my new job.
What is up, Go fam? You already know we out here, me and Zay and all that. You see the city over there. Well, you see, we on the highway right now. We on the highway. No kidding. Right now, we're on the way to the dirt bike lot. My guy, Kobe, got a dirt bike. He got a YZ125, brand new. And I was like, yo, I'm about to come. He's like, all right, cool. So I was like, fuck it. I'm about to go. Yeah. Wait to the lot and all that. I'll probably get some clips there, see what's up with Kobe. See if he's worming out on there or whatnot. Get him some videos on there. See if he's beep or he man. All right, we at the lot now. You see my guy Kobe on that new team. I'm on this hoagie. This Dante's drawing. Look at that one. Go. Let's go. Hold on. Oh, you worm. You wormo. Try again. Try. Oh, you worm! Kobe! What are you doing?
Yo, I got something to say. Yo, guys, I've been stalling out all day. Like, this joint's real crazy. Like, look.
Kobe!
I'm on the camera.
You worm!
All this pressure.
Oh, right here. Oh my God! Give him more gas, you worm! Oh. You worm! Yeah, there we go! And yo, I ain't been on a dirt bike in forever, if you know that, but my guy Kobe just copped this brand new joint. But you already know I'm a clickbait this on with my new joint and all that. Well, yo, I know I ain't got a helmet. I'm sorry, I only got the bad luck helmet because I ain't got a dirt bike right now, so there's no point in buying a new helmet. But it will be a dirt bike coming to the channel soon. I don't know when, but hopefully soon. And for real, when I get a dirt bike, I don't even know if I'm gonna be riding the street a lot, because I'm tired of all that court shit and all that. I'm trying to stay out of trouble and chase my dreams.
Oh my God.
Alright, Go fam, this ended this video. Please like, subscribe. Go subscribe to the ONEWAY YouTube page also. Link in the description down below. Go get the merch, link in the description. I was warming it up, I ain't gonna lie. That was my first time on a dirt bike in like forever.